is my parody of what's like those popular songs. All about the bass. Okay, get ready to listen. I'm totally all about that bass, don't worry. I'm totally all about that bass, don't worry. I'm totally all about that bass, don't worry. I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I'm so awesome, cause I'm all about that shine bright, all about that bass, and all the dudes like, all dudes like it. They like the girls that are all about the bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear. Yeah, it's pretty clear. They like my triple hat. I got one jean, one piece, and one flat back. You know it's pretty clear. Everybody likes that because I'm all about that bass and all about the style. Yeah, it's pretty clear. Everybody knows that. But I can juggle, maybe not. But I know how to juggle in my pants because I'm all about that bass. All about that bass. Yeah, she told me that I don't have style. Oh, no. She said I don't have style, so I said, oh, no, whoa. So I went up to that crazy witch and I smacked her across the face. Yeah, she told me to be quiet, so I said, you, be quiet. So then she slapped me across the face. I said, oh no. Oh, she slapped me again and I pushed my big butt in her face. Buddy. Then I said, get out of my. She told me, boys like my booty, ew. Yo, forget about what I said. Now I'm gonna rap like, yeah. Children back laying on the van. Yeah. Harlem, shake it out, yo. This is a story about a little boy named Jackson Poopy. Cause you don't know what I do. This is my style, Yukio. So then they said, oh, I get it. The parody's over. Bye-bye. I hope you like my parody. Bye-bye.